In this part, we learn how to round off to the nearest 10. Now here, let us look at what 10 means. First of all, we must remember what place value is. We learn that suppose the number is 1248. This last digit is ones, second last is tens, this is hundreds, and this digit is thousand. So here we are rounding off to nearest tens. So nearest 10. Let's look at how to go about it. Suppose we are given the number 432. Now the tens places, so 2 is unit place, 3 is the tens place. So rounding off to nearest 10 means we write 432 as either 430 or 440. So rounding off to nearest 10 means we write the number as 430, that is nearest 10 means 10 should come in the last digit. It should be 30 or 40. Now since 432 is near to 430, we say that 432 rounded off is 430. Let's look at other examples as well. Suppose we have numbers like this, 430, 431, 432 and so on. Now let's see which numbers are closer to 430. So for 431, it is very near to 430 as compared to 440. So it will be rounded off to 430. Now let's look at 432. 432 is very near. See, this is the distance with 430 and this is the distance with 440. So 32 will also round off to 430. Now with 33 it is the same case. This distance is greater, this is smaller. So 433 will also round off to 430. Now 434, here we have 6 digits towards the right and 4 digits towards the left. So 434 will also round off to 430. Now 435 is actually at equal distance to both 430 and 440. It is actually the same distance. So 435 by rule will always go to the greater number. So 435 rounded off will be 440. And now these numbers 436, 437, 438, 439, they are closer to 440 as compared to 430. So all of these numbers will round off to 430. Let's write it down. Now 430, 431, 32, 33, 34 will round off to 430. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. These are closer to 440. So we round off to 440. And 435 is just in the middle. So by rule, we round off 435 to the greater number. So it is also rounded off to 440. Let's look at some examples. So 431, 32, 33, 34 is rounded off to 430. 36 to 39 is rounded off to 440. And 435 is rounded off to 440, the larger number.